lose the power that they currently have. You're a senator in America. I mean, you know, my wife yesterday was going through. Do you realize that Senator Feinstein is worth $240 million? Before she became a senator, she was worth $30,000. Now, run these numbers, please. If you're a U.S. senator, your power is immense. And there are no U.S. senators that are not worth at least $10 million. So are you going to give up the money, the power, the influence, just because a bunch of radical people with mohawks and pierced ears are writing code? No. Yet you cannot win, and we cannot lose. We can't. That doesn't mean it's going to be an easy road, because even knowing you will win the war, you will have to go through atrocities and pain and suffering and loss. We just went through 4 months of it. Now, I'm one of those people, I will never sell because I know where we're headed. You can push Bitcoin to 50 cents, I don't care. In 2 years, it'll still be $500,000. I do not care in the short term, and neither should you. But you must be prepared, not just for market manipulation by those who think they're still in power, and not just threats from the bank to take your credit cards away, which they've done. Will not let you buy cryptocurrencies with credit cards, close your accounts that are accepting money from Coinbase, but the actual threat of jail, which I'm facing right now. Fortunately, I've been in so many jails that I'm comfortable in a jail, right? You know, I don't have to worry. My wife's not nagging at me to mow the lawn. No, I'm just sitting there, I'll sleep, give me something to read. I get fed 3 times a day, and it's comfortable. A little bit cool, just that keeps the bacteria down, I understand, but beyond that, it's all right. So no, we are facing a real war, and you're facing real possible hardships. Are you willing to do that? This is the question. The question of whether or not we succeed in the short term or the long term, we will succeed, depends on you. How strong are your convictions? What are you willing to suffer to take this world as you see it now and transform it into something of extreme beauty? Do you realize how rare an opportunity this is to transform this world into something that your children and grandchildren will thank you for? Because if you're happy with this world as it is, well, that's fine. You probably never read a newspaper then, or checked Google, or know anything about the reality of this world and what power does to corrupt. Because I'm not happy with this world as it is. I'm not. Anyone who is satisfied with the status quo is already dead inside as I see things. Because who runs this world? The rich, the powerful, the people with the guns. Why is America so powerful? It's not because the world loves us. I promise you it does not. I have traveled this world. And in some places, I am afraid to say I am an American. I'm Canadian. Why we are hated universally? We are. You're a soldier. You know how the rest of the world sees us. Is this what you want? Is this the world you want to live in? Living in a powerful country because we have bombs that can annihilate hundreds of millions of people? Do we have airplanes that can't be seen by radar or anything else? They can target not just a town, not just a building, but a very room inside a building. Do we have a presidency that sits down on Monday morning and goes, who are we going to kill in the Middle East today? These are our options. We have the drones up and running right now. Tell us which button to push. This is the reality of this world. And you are all paying for it. And me. You are. You have an opportunity to change that, because what does the blockchain do? It takes the power from those who push the buttons, make the decisions, chooses who lives, who dies, decides how much more.